Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to use Gemini AI on your iPhone for beginners. To use Gemini AI on iPhone for beginners, first of all, let me tell you that there isn't a dedicated iOS application for Gemini AI, but you can still access it on your iPhone through official Google app. So let me guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Download the Google app on your iPhone. Go ahead and open your App Store and then in the search box type in Google. Once you find the Google application in the search result, tap on the download button to start downloading the Google app on your iPhone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed. If you've already installed Google app on your device, make sure that you update to the newest version of Google app. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the Google application. Step 2. Access Gemini AI. Once you open up the Google application on your device, simply go to the top of the screen and you will be able to see the G-Search option. Simply go to the top of the screen and tap on the Gemini logo right next to G-Search and tap on I agree in the pop-up. After you get to this main homepage, start using your prompts to interact with Gemini AI. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see a text box. Here you can type in, talk, or share a photo to interact with Gemini AI. In order to talk and type, you can simply tap on the microphone option. Allow necessary permission for your microphone and start off by talking and typing. After you are done with the prompt, tap on the send button at the bottom right and this will be able to help you interact with Gemini AI. You can also use the search box at the bottom in order to enter your prompts or question, or simply tap on the camera icon and upload a picture for yourself. You can use Gemini AI for various tasks such as writing text, generating original images, brainstorming ideas, summarizing text, and much more. You can also use it to solve complex mathematical problems. Gemini AI allows you to adjust the text length and even change the tone of its response. Enjoy exploring its capabilities on your iPhone and familiarize yourself with the platform. Step 3. Remove Gemini from Google app on your iPhone. If you ever want to hide the Gemini tab from your Google app, from the Google app, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now simply click on the Gemini app activity option. If you wish to just turn off your chat, tap on the turn off option right next to Gemini app activity and make sure that it is selected to turn off from the drop-down. If you wish to turn off and remove the record of your past conversation, you can simply click on turn off and delete activity. So those were some of the steps you could follow in order to start using Gemini AI on your iPhone for beginners. All you need to have is a Google account and you will be good to go to get started with Gemini AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video